What's the meaning of aloe? Aloe. 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 Aloe.
Aloe is a genus of succulent plants that are native to Africa and belong to the family Asphodelaceae. The name aloe is derived from the Arabic word aloe, which means bitter substance, likely due to the bitter taste of the plant's sap. Aloe has been used for medicinal purposes for thousands of years, as well as in cosmetics and skin care products. The plant contains numerous bioactive compounds that have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties, making it a popular ingredient in various health and beauty products.